Data is the future currency. As a result, the data and analytics industry is rising like never before. With a predicted growth rate of 13.5% CAGR, the industry is set to soar at a value from $198 billion in 2020 to a staggering $684 billion in 2030. But this growth is not just about numbers. It is about game-changing trends revolutionizing how we do business. From the power of artificial intelligence to the potential of cloud computing, these top 10 trends are shaping the future and changing the game in 2023. Get ready for a journey into the heart of the data revolution where the possibilities are endless and the future is now. The first trend on our list of top 9 data and analytics trends is set to change the game in 2023 and you won't want to miss it. Data as a service. Data as a service is a game-changing trend that focuses on exchanging governed data, models, and insights between companies in the same industry, allowing them to collaborate and drive innovation. With data as a service, companies can offer their unique data and expertise as a service to the peers, breaking down the barriers to collaboration and creating new growth opportunities. Think of it like the marketplace of data and insight, where companies can easily access the information they need to make informed decisions. This can include everything from predictive algorithms and data models to real-time insights and analytics. With SaaS-like functionality, companies can quickly and easily offer their data and insights to others, creating a rich and diverse ecosystem of knowledge and expertise. Not only does data as a service offer benefits to companies in terms of collaboration and innovation, but it also provides new revenue streams. Companies can now monetize their data and expertise in ways that were not previously possible, generating new business models and income streams. As the demand for data as a service continues to grow, it is clear that this trend will play a significant role in driving growth and innovation in data analytics. Now, this is going to happen for many years to come. And as we delve deeper into the world of data analytics, we encounter another exciting trend: synthetic data generation. With the increasing concerns over data privacy and the challenges of obtaining real-world data, companies are turning to artificially generated data as a solution. And it's not just any synthetic data. Corporations are using cutting-edge techniques to extract patterns and distributions from actual data to create synthetic data that is truly representative. For example, let's say a healthcare company is developing a new AI-powered diagnostic tool. To train the model, they need vast amounts of patient data, but they cannot access real-time patient data due to privacy regulations. This is where synthetic data comes in. The company can extract patterns and distributions from actual patient data and use this information to generate synthetic data that is representative of real data. And the AI model can then be trained on this synthetic data, providing company with a safe and effective solution for their data needs. Incredible, isn't it? Who would have thought that we would create data representative of the real thing while maintaining privacy and security? It's truly a remarkable accomplishment with a testament to the power of technology and innovation. As technology continuously impresses, the next trend in data analytics we will explore is augmented analytics. Augmented analytics is revolutionizing the way we interact with data. Instead of relying on data scientists and engineers to spend weeks or months of preparing the data for business intelligence, the data analytics trend uses machine learning and natural language processing to simplify and speed up the process. With this technology, business users can quickly get answers to ad hoc queries from data lake without any complicated data pipeline design. For instance, suppose you're a business owner who wants to quickly check the sales figures for a specific product in the last quarter. With augmented analytics, you can ask a natural language question such as, what were the sales for product X in Q3? The system will provide you with an immediate and accurate answer without needing data preparation or complex reports. This saves time and empowers the business users to make informed decisions based on their data very quickly. Moving ahead, data ops and observability is the next big thing in data analytics. As data becomes an increasingly critical aspect of modern organizations, a more streamlined and efficient approach to data management has become a priority. Data ops and observability offer a solution combining the best practices of DevOps and applying them to data. This creates a seamless collaboration between DevOps teams, data scientists, and engineers to drive better results faster. Picture a world where you have instant access to data insights and the reliability and accessibility of your data is never in question. That's the promise of data ops and observability. Basically merging the best practices of DevOps and applying them to data, making it a collaboration between DevOps teams, data scientists, and engineers. Think of it as air traffic control of data, constantly monitoring and ensuring smooth operations. With real-time monitoring and quick responses to any issues, data ops minimizes downtime and guarantees that your data is always ready for action. No more waiting for reports to generate and worry about the data reliability. With that, we move on to the fifth trend, data clean rooms. Data clean rooms are a secure and controlled environment for exchanging sensitive information and intellectual property between organizations. These rooms allow for merging partner-provided data with an organization's proprietary data while ensuring regulatory compliance, protecting privacy, and preserving a competitive edge. To protect sensitive information, data providers must anonymize and models before sharing them in a data clean room. This type of collaboration is highly beneficial for sectors such as media, advertising, financial services, energy, and healthcare, especially for those that face strict regulations. Organizations can exchange valuable information by using data clean rooms while ensuring their security and privacy, driving business success and growth. For instance, consider a financial services company that wants to collaborate with another organization to gain valuable insights into the stock market. The two companies can use a data clean room to securely exchange their proprietary data while ensuring the protection of sensitive information and adhering to all regulatory compliance. This collaboration can improve decision-making and better investment outcomes for both companies. Another key trend grabbing significant attention is increased emphasis on business intelligence. Business intelligence, or BI, is a key trend that has become increasingly important as organizations have access to more data than ever before. And the ability to turn this data into actionable insights can give them a significant advantage. Business intelligence primarily aids data-driven decision-making, allowing organizations to stay ahead of the competition and achieve their goals. For example, imagine a retail company that wants to improve its sales. Using business intelligence, the company can analyze customer purchasing patterns, such as the most popular products, the time of the day when sales are highest, and the demographics of its customers. With this information, the company can make informed decisions, such as adjusting its product offerings and marketing strategy to align with customers' preferences and habits. As a result, company can improve its sales and gain a competitive edge in the market. In essence, the goal of business intelligence is to provide organizations with better understanding of their data and help them make more informed decisions. By leveraging the tools and methods of data analytics, businesses can unlock valuable insights and drive growth and success. The next trend on the rise as businesses look for ways to analyze the massive amounts of data better, they collect is operationalizing AI. With nearly 90% of data being unstructured, AI and machine learning technologies are becoming increasingly crucial in helping organizations make sense of the data and extract meaningful insights. By integrating AI and ML technologies with data analytics and business intelligence tools, organizations can overcome the challenge posed by unstructured data and uncover the hidden value it holds. Today, AI tools are capable of accurately extracting data from unstructured documents with a near 95% success rate. As these technologies continue to evolve, it is likely that we will see an even wider adoption of AI in the business world in 2023. One area of interest is the impact of large language models, such as the very popular ChatGPT, on the analytics space. Innovations have already emerged that use these models to generate SQL queries from natural language, and it will be exciting to see what further advancements emerge in the coming year. Next up is the rise of meta-driven data fabrics shaping the future of data management. Organizations will increasingly turn to unified data fabrics to integrate and automate disparate systems as they strive to streamline their data processing and analysis. This will help them combine both traditional and modern data sources such as cloud services, social media, IoT devices, mobile applications, and more. Enriching the data fabric with metadata will provide a deeper understanding of the data and its context, allowing for more informed and meaningful insights. By adding meaning to the data and understanding its relationship with other data types, organizations will be better equipped to unlock their full potential and make informed decisions. This metadata-driven approach will drive innovation and lead to new possibilities for data analysis. Lastly, edge computing dominates as the final trend as analytics expands. With the growing numbers of IoT, IIoT devices, which is industrial IoT devices, producing vast amounts of machine-generated data, decentralized computing, which integrates analytics, AI, and decision intelligence into edge applications, is increasingly in demand. This approach enables real-time data analysis, quick insights, and faster analytics, as seen in applications such as rapid identification of data anomalies, predictive maintenance in factories, real-time fraud detection in banks, and continuous monitoring of vital signs by wearable devices. Additionally, privacy concerns drive the growth of local analytics to protect sensitive data. As a result, edge computing paves the way for the rise of micro-analytics closer to end users, enhancing efficiency, speed, and accuracy. Now it's time to wrap up this video on the top 9 data and analytics trends ruling 2023. We have covered a lot of ground and explored the exciting advancements and opportunities for this dynamic industry. From AI and ML powered insights to edge computing and decentralized analytics, organizations have the tools to make informed decisions and drive business success. But our journey doesn't have to end here. By continuing to engage with our channel, you'll stay up to date on the latest trends and developments and have access to practical tips and strategies for success. So take advantage of the action. Join us in exploring the world of emerging technologies and take your skills to the next level. As always, we welcome your feedback and questions. Let's keep the learning and growing together. Until next time, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.